Hi everyone, so a warm welcome back. So today's main topic of concern is how to study in dentistry. I know that majority of the dental students will have this question in their mind. When I was a dental student, I really was in trouble to find out the solution for this question. But fortunately, my mom is the only one who helped me to overcome this problem. She gave me three important tips which really worked out in my life of dentistry and also in my current practice of dentistry. If this is your first time, this is Dr. Sumanaya here, your host from The Dent Life. Before proceeding, make sure to click on the subscribe button because I upload so much of important videos for the dental students as well as the professionals preparing for the different dental prometric examinations. Also to click on the bell icon button so that you will be notified as I upload my videos. Don't miss any of them. So the three important points which I have already mentioned earlier is that first and the foremost, you should have a very best source of lecture, okay, be it a classroom lecture or a presentation lecture or the online lecture. Any of it is fine, but it should be very comfortable for you to understand, okay. Because the dentistry is all about understanding the each and every concept. That means you have to understand each and every step in a very minute detail because it's the application which you are going to do in your dental practice, okay. So it's very much important to thoroughly know whatever you are learning through a lecture or through a presentation or through a online class. So nowadays there are various online classes which are available. You can go through it, okay. As far as I know, the best lecture is provided obviously by your lecturers in your classrooms. So that is your first source, fine. After that, what you need to do is, the second step comes is, you have to write down in your own simplest way whatever you have understood through that particular lecture. That is very important for you. Now, how will you do that? It's very simple. That is, you know that the dentistry is nowhere related of mugging up of the concept. It's totally the understanding each and every minute details of each and every steps what we are going to perform in a patient, right? So if in pulpotomy we are going to use calcium hydroxide, so what is the reason behind using calcium hydroxide? Why don't we use any other material for it? So in that way you have to learn it, you have to understand the theoretical part, right? Now what you will do in the second part is that you will note down in a very simple way. That is in a cavity preparation, for example, first remove the caries. The second part is to design the cavity for the amalgam preparation. In that way, as a flow chart, you can write everything in your own convenient form so that it will be very easy for you to understand later on. So this is how you have to keep your own recordical book. The third part is that you should know about the procedure in detail so that you will be easily able to understand what is the difference between a pulpotomy, what is the difference between the partial and the complete pulpotomy. So in that way you will have to understand it well because it will be there in your whole life, right? So learning in this way will really help you a lot to pass the dentistry very simply, not only for the examinations but also for your practical life. So these are the three important points which you have to keep in mind, and I hope that it will really help you a lot to overcome the problem. So a very thank you for all of you for watching my today's video. So this was the answering session of one of my viewers' question, that how to study or how to prepare for the exam. So I think that this video must have helped you, okay. And if you really like my videos, please do not forget to like and share my videos. And also the very important thing is to give the positive comments or the feedbacks, because it's really a motivation for me to come up in front of you with more such important topics. So see you next time. Bye.